And there are a lot of opportunities and challenges also. Apart from all of that, there is an opportunity for cross learning. This video is all about my dream job, training teachers who are highly qualified to inculcate fun ways in teaching so that students can enjoy the fruitfulness of education. I help to understand teachers how robotics can be applied in any field. Super tough for a trainer to continuously motivate teachers to do activities for the whole day. This is all about my dream job, training teachers. And it's super challenging because we are going to train teachers who are highly qualified to inculcate easy and fun ways so that students can enjoy the fruitfulness of education. The session started with Vedic math methods, where it was so amazing for teachers to note down all of them. At the end of the session, we got the chance to exhibit all the activities teachers have done the whole day.
Hello teachers! So how is the session today?
Super!
You all like it?
Yes, ma'am.
You still have energy?
Yes,
It's the end of the day.
Yes,
Oh, so then you're so lovely. Thank you so much for focusing and cooperating with me. Thank you.
ma'am.